Hey guys, this is Abdullah Mamun and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to check CPM. So keep watching this tutorial to the end and never forget to subscribe my channel, smash the like button and share this video with your friends. So let's get started today's video. First of all, open your browser and write here studio.youtube.com. Okay, and then tap on desktop site. After opening YouTube Studio, you can see your dashboard. Click on analytics. After clicking on analytics, click on revenue. Now select 7 days instead of 28 days. Now you will be able to see your 7 days CPM, playback based CPM, RPM. Now click on plus button to see your current CPM. Okay. Finally, you can see your highest CPM's video. So guys, that's all for today. If you really enjoyed this video, please subscribe my channel, hit the like button and share this video with your friends. Until next time, Allah.